फेरर्स एवेन्यू स्टॉप जी। ऐसे इसमें रेंट का डिफरेंस भी रहता है कि ऊपर वाले रूम का रेंट अलग है?
Yes.
दिस किचन इज एज बिग एज आवर होटल रूम इन लंडन। सो दिस इज योर रूम एंड practically 200 pounds a week. This is the washroom, 5 minutes walking from the university, so no money to be spent on going and back and forth from campus.
तो पर वो कैंसिल हो गया, वो उन्होंने किसी और को दे दिया बिकॉज शी वाज पेइंग मोर देन मी। ठीक है।
तो थोड़ा सा बताओ कि how did you find this accommodation? If you are planning to study in the UK, watch the video until the end and subscribe to the channel. Excuse me?
Yes, sir.
We need to go to Brunel University nearby. So this Ferrers Avenue stop G.
This one. You see that red and white G
Yeah,
on
yeah.
the top? So that's top G.
Okay. So we have to go on the other side.
Yeah, go
that
there.
side. Thank you. So hi guys, we are now on our way to meet Rishabh. We are on the final leg of our journey. We've taken the bus. Rishabh is a student at Brunel University and we're going to be visiting his home. So he's going to give us a tour of his house and we'll have some lunch with him and then we'll go to the Brunel University to see what's around and get to know his story. So see you soon. Yeah, it should be one of these homes. Is that him? How are you, man? Good. आज बहुत ठंड करा दी है यार। What happened? क्या हुआ? Oh. कैसे हो भाई? Good. Thank you, Rishabh, for having us. Thanks for inviting us to your home. Can you just maybe introduce yourself, where you are from in India, यहाँ कहाँ पढ़ रहे हो, क्या पढ़ रहे हो?
Okay, so basically my name is Rishabh Singh. I am from Indore, Madhya Pradesh. I have done my bachelor's in industrial and production engineering from SGS ITS College, Indore.
In Indore, yes.
Yeah, then I have work experience of around 1.5 years.
Okay.
In Indore only.
And where did you work at that time?
I worked at Neo Hydraulics. It's
Neo
a manufacturing company.
Okay.
We manufactured conveyors and tractor attachments.
Okay.
Yeah. So then after then basically from childhood my passion was cars. Yeah. Then I decided to follow my passion and applied for masters in motorsports engineering.
Motorsports engineering.
Yes.
Wow. And that's what you are studying now.
Yeah.
At Brunel University.
Yes.
And when did you start, Rishabh?
I start around 2 weeks back.
2 weeks back.
Yeah.
And we would like to understand a bit more about how you are doing, what is your initial impression, and what do you see yourself. Maybe if you can also give us a short tour of your home.
Yeah, so basically this is the place where I live. This is the common area, kitchen. We have washing machine, dishwashers, and all the appliances like fridge.
Nice.
And these are provided by the owner itself.
By the owner
so,
itself.
So we don't have to buy anything from our side.
This kitchen is as big as our hotel room in London.
Yeah.
Maybe smaller, yeah.
Yeah, so there are 5 rooms here.
5 rooms here.
My room is downstairs.
Okay.
Yeah, so let's.
Cool.
Can we see?
So there are 2 rooms upstairs.
1 room on this side.
Yeah.
And 2 room downstairs.
Okay.
This side. So washroom is basically shared.
The washroom is
Yeah.
shared.
So this is my room.
So you have a single room?
Yeah, I have single room.
Wow.
So basically all the rooms are single occupancy only.
Okay.
Yeah.
So all the rooms are single occupancy and you have a nice cricket pitch
Yeah.
in your room.
We call it the bowling alley.
The bowling alley.
Basically, I am planning to bring some pins and 1 ball. We will make bowling alley here.
And good that you are also on the lower ground, so nobody's gonna get disturbed.
Yeah. So
Nice.
this is the place. This is the window.
Nice. So they have that's good. So you have all access to fresh air.
Yeah.
And light, natural sunlight. So this is your room, and here you've been also given like a nice study table. It's I would say pretty big for you, and a storage closet.
Yeah. And
There's like full almirahs out back here. We can just look at around this area as well. So we have the full almirahs available. Pretty. मेरे घर पे भी मेरे पास इतनी 3 almirah नहीं है यार.
there is underbed storage also.
And there is underbed storage.
Yeah.
And a nice big bed available. So I think this it's quite good good space for you. And also there is like room heating available.
Yeah.
So there is room heating. So that's great. I mean, it's you have a fantastic house. I hope you have not cleaned it for us and you maintain it.
No, I basically keep it like
only. This. Good. So because 2 हफ्ते में तो enough कचरा इकट्ठा हो जाता है.
हाँ, that is there only. वो है, मैं सब उसमें डाल देता हूँ जितना भी होता है.
Cool. So बढ़िया है. तो थोड़ा सा एक बार बताओ कि ब्रुनेल यूनिवर्सिटी यहाँ से 5 मिनट दूर है.
हाँ.
है ना, हम पैदल चले जाएंगे यहाँ से, अभी चलेंगे आपके साथ में. तो थोड़ा सा बताओ कि हाउ डिड यू फाइंड दिस अकोमोडेशन एंड वाज इट इजी, डिफिकल्ट?
So in the starting it was difficult, but then I got to know one of my family members, the brother of my chachi, lives here in Uxbridge only.
Okay.
So the Mamaji helped me to find this property.
Okay.
Because it's tough to find property online. The student accommodations, the sites like student living, and there are many sites.
Right.
The price was so high. It was around like 360 pound per week.
Wow.
So, but yeah, then I find this. It's 750 per month. So
750
it's
per
like-
month. So
it's
about
cheaper than university.
It's cheaper than university
Yeah.
accommodation. And does this 750 include the bills?
Yeah, it includes everything. Yeah.
Also
All
includes
the-
Wi-Fi?
No.
Wi-Fi is extra.
Wi-Fi is extra.
So heating वगैरह सब included है.
सब
the
included
water
है,
bill.
gas, and the maid comes 2 times per week
Okay.
to clean the common areas.
To clean the common area.
She doesn't clean our room, but
Okay.
she clean the common area, the washroom, the kitchen. And the alley.
And you have all the appliances also included. So that is also fantastic. And 5 people sharing that big kitchen, I think it is also very luxurious.
Yeah.
So that's also, I think, very good. So practically 200 pounds a week.
Yeah.
से कंपेयर करें, और वहाँ में मिल रहा था 350 पाउंड,
350 pound.
50 pounds.
Yeah.
So it was like big difference.
Basically, I can tell you the sites from which I found this.
So we'll take the sites from you, Rishabh, and we'll
Yeah.
put them down in the description so that everybody can also understand. And what's this area called?
Uxbridge.
Uxbridge area. So it's the Uxbridge area, 5 minutes walking from the university. So no money to be spent on going and back and forth from campus. And also very nice and peace and quiet for it. So beautiful place. यहाँ पर आसपास you have Indian stores if you want to.
Yeah, it's right down the road. So basically यहाँ से जैसे यूनिवर्सिटी जाएंगे तो ये बाचेस्टर क्लोज से एग्जिट लेंगे तो सामने ही है
इंडियन स्टोर भी
इंडियन
है.
स्टोर
तो इंडियन स्टोर भी
There
है
is a
पास में.
पंजाबी अंकल, he is
पंजाबी
super
अंकल
chill.
उन्होंने सब बढ़िया कर रखा है.
सब
And we
बढ़िया
passed
कर
by South Hall while coming here. तो वहाँ पूरे स्टेशन पे it was like इंडिया आ गए हैं. तो it was very good. It's a good area. You feel safe and
Yeah,
you feel that
it's safe.
you can walk around at night and
Yeah.
there is no problem at
No,
all.
no. So basically, you can walk around 11 or 12. But after that, you should be careful.
You should be careful.
Yeah.
And have you
Because
heard of any
there is
incident?
only one problem, snatching, phone snatching.
Okay.
So there are snatchers. So you should take some care after 12. But before 12, there are people roaming around, so there is no problem.
Welcome to London and welcome to us also because हम लोग दोनों अभी नए नए आए हुए हैं यार. Thanks for giving a tour of your accommodation, Rishabh, and we will talk more about you and your journey and what you are looking forward to as we have lunch. We have brought some lunch with us, so
Thank you so much.
we'll have that lunch together. Thanks guys. If you like this, do like the video, subscribe to our channel and share it with all the other students who might be looking to come to UK to understand better about how to find the right accommodation at the right price and with best services and amenities in UK and especially in Uxbridge around Brunel University. Thank you everyone and see you soon.
I think he took the shower, so थोड़ा dirty है पर हाँ.
So this is the washroom. We have a sink and a separate bathing area and a WC. Pretty large, I think, for any accommodation that we would have seen otherwise in London. So very spacious and very well lit and very well maintained. I think this is really good for you. There's also some, I think, common storage space around here which can be used by, I think, for housekeeping and everything. So things are, there is enough space, there's no clutter.
Yeah,
I think that's what I really like
yeah.
about it. आज तो मंडे है तो लोग तो कॉलेज वॉलेज गए होंगे नहीं?
यहाँ क्लासेस थोड़ा वो है, फ्लेक्सिबल है, मतलब कुछ लोगों की रहती है, कुछ लोगों की नहीं रहती है.
ऐसे इसमें रेंट का डिफरेंस भी रहता है कि ऊपर वाले रूम का रेंट अलग है?
यस एग्जैक्टली. वो बेसिकली ऊपर वाले रूम दे हैव फुल विंडो.
दे फुल विंडो.
सो उनका रेंट थोड़ा ज़्यादा 900 के करीब है.
900 है.
हाँ.
इसका 750 है.
इसका 750 है.
ओके. वो उसके ऊपर है तो उनको एक्चुअली में पूरा ये पूरा विंडो मिल जाता है उनको. यहाँ पर ऐसा लगता है कि वो घर एक्चुअली बीच में वो अलग अलग हैं.
हाँ.
बट वो लगता है कि वो एक ही घर है लंबा.
एक ही घर है लंबा.
हाँ. नाइस.
सो बेसिकली आप लोग मैनचेस्टर वगैरह और सब जगह फिर
सो मैनचेस्टर से स्टार्ट किया था. राइट नाउ इन लंदन. टुनाइट वी विल गो टू बर्मिंघम.
ओके.
बर्मिंघम एंड कोवेंट्री.
ओह.
फिर वहां से विल बी बैक टू लंदन एंड देन बैक होम. शुड ईट द थेपले नाउ.
हाँ वो
देयर इज समथिंग ऑन दिस.
मैंने भी देखा वो.
आई वाज थिंकिंग कि काफी ठंडा है तो चल जाएगा. इट्स बीन व्हाट 5 days. सपोज टू गो ऑन फॉर लाइक 10 days. लास्ट टाइम मैं यूएस लेके गया था तो मैं 10 दिन तक मैंने खाया.
इसके पहले एक देखा था वो 700 पाउंड में ही था. तो पर वो कैंसिल हो गया. वो उन्होंने किसी और को दे दिया बिकॉज शी वाज पेइंग मोर देन मी. ठीक है.
यहाँ पर भी वो चल रहा है.
तो फिर मामा जी ने फटाफट यहाँ ये वाला देखा, ये फाइनल किया. तो ऐसा हो रहा था कि इसका एग्रीमेंट बना नहीं था तो मेरे को 1-2 दिन होटल में रुकना पड़ सकता था. तो मैं देखा वो होटल तो उस पर देखा मिनिमम वॉज 80 पाउंड पर डे.
I think staying in a hotel is very expensive. London is very expensive anyways. Yeah.
So my friend is in Queens, Belfast.
Queens, Belfast.
हाँ. He is living at 145 per week. Yeah. I think 145 per week. उसमें उसका स्टूडियो अपार्टमेंट है. एनस्वीट भी नहीं, स्टूडियो. किचन, वॉशरूम और रूम. तीनों चीज़ें.
I think ये तो फायदा है. If you are staying outside of London, then life becomes lot more economical.
Lot more.
Even the guys who are there's a guy who's living Stratford के आगे.
हाँ.
वो कर रहता है about 500 pounds per month में. बट उसका रूम शेयरिंग रूम है. उसका शेयरिंग रूम है एंड बट उसमें उसका फूड इंक्लूडेड है.
फूड इंक्लूडेड है.
तो वो काफ़ी इकोनॉमिकल. बट वही है कि हर किसी के लिए एवरीथिंग इज.
यहाँ भी मैंने देख लिया था. सो देयर इज एरिया. इट्स बेसिकली मिनी गुजरात. किंग्सबरी.
ओके.
या. सो ऑल गुजराती फैमिली. सब मतलब हर दूसरा घर गुजराती है. तो वहाँ एक आंटी थी, उनसे बात हो गई थी. सो देयर वाज रूम शेयरिंग वॉशरूम 135 इंक्लूडिंग सुबह का ब्रेकफास्ट, शाम का डिनर और रहना. तो अच्छा पर दूर था थोड़ा यहाँ से. तो मामा जी ने मेरे को सजेस्ट किया कि अभी 3 महीने तो यूनिवर्सिटी के पास रहे क्योंकि ठंड में यहाँ ट्रैवलिंग करना बहुत टफ हो जाता है. और खासकर अपने लिए क्योंकि अपने को वो टेम्परेचर देखने की आदत नहीं है. -8 -6 डिग्री जा रहा है. तो मैं पास में ही रहे. मैं थोड़ा ज्यादा लगे
मतलब एटलीस्ट अब जैसे विंटर्स आ जाएगी तो विंटर्स क्रॉस करके मे बी 6 months also.
हाँ, यू कैन मूव आउट. फिर तू देख सकता है कहीं और जहाँ तेरे को लग रहा है कि कितना तेरे को.
तब तक ये भी समझ में आ जाएगा कि खाना बनाना और ये सब कितना एफर्ट है. हाँ. और कितना कर पा रहे हो. You studied in Indore and you did industrial engineering there.
Yeah.
And you were working also there in India. But motorsports की और cars से fascination के चक्कर में you wanted to study motorsports engineering.
Yeah.
तो इस सब के अंदर how did you choose UK?